What's up, guys? So I finally got my intake. It's right there, and it's not complete. I still need a heat shield, but everything else is in here in this box. So I'm gonna be installing it right now. Let me show you what's in the box. Alright, so this intake is made by Spectre. Got the filter right here. Let me show you guys. So this is the filter. It's 4-inch. That is a 90-degree tube, aluminum tube. Also got a coupler, and this is another 4x4 aluminum tube that's going to be connected to this one. Gasket maker. I'm going to be using this around the map sensors, and heat reflector tape. So here we have everything that I'm going to be needing. I only need the heat shield, but that's going to be later on. Alright, so I went ahead and removed the stock intake. Also went ahead and I drilled the holes for the map sensors. Now I'm gonna be using the gasket maker to seal around the map sensor for both of them. So this is how the 90-degree aluminum tube looks like. Done with this one and this one. Now I want to wrap the coupler here. I think it'll look a lot better, so let's get it. Alright, so both of them are done. They look really nice. Now this time is ready to be installed in the car. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this one. This is the one that bolts into the throttle body. So we got the 90-degree tube, clamped it to the throttle body. It actually looks really nice. Check that out. It's really smooth. Damn, looks really nice. So I was gonna use header wrap instead of this gold heat reflective tape, but a lot of people told me that it wasn't a good idea because the header wrap is made to keep the heat inside, and this here, the gold wrap, is made to keep the heat away. So that's why I went with this, and it actually looks pretty nice. All right guys, so next step is to install this coupler. So alright, so that's pretty much it. Last thing to do is connect the map sensors. There's one. This is the second one. I'm gonna make this wire longer so I can run it under this plastic piece here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Looks pretty nice. Damn. Damn. I'm thinking of wrapping this gold, but it's too thick. I might go with the thinner one. If not, I'm gonna try to remove the coupler and I'm gonna weld the whole, both of them. But we'll see. But yeah, this is how it looks. So you guys have it, pretty easy install. Like I said, I'm gonna get a heat shield. It's gonna go right in here to block all the heat. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna make a separate video on the sound. I'm gonna leave you guys. It's getting dark, but I am gonna give you guys a quick startup. So enjoy.